Are you doing all right?
Are you having a seizure?
I was just seeing if you needed any kind of help. Is there something I can help you with? That's funny because cops always ask us the same thing, and we tell the cops the same thing. Did I ask for help? Now, real quick, mind if I get your name and badge number?
What's up, folks? Nate's Gates 182 here in the city of Philadelphia. With San Joaquin Valley Transparency. And Wolfie Gladly, the cop baiter.
So they shut down Locust Street for the debate?
Harris is staying in a hotel down the
Oh,
street.
hell yeah, man. You ever wonder what her pussy smells like? Alright.
Oh, shit. That's funny.
Is that an extra glass right there?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, they got
Whoa.
both.
Bulletproof glass.
See the shirt?
They came back. The dude was hell bent for information.
All right, real quick, mind if I get your name and badge number? Danny? I want the badge number? 2199?
I appreciate it. And on the record, you said that you wonder what Kamala Harris vagina smells like too, right? Right? Okay, I love you too. Say it back.
Jesus.
How you doing? Hello, sir.
How you doing today? We're just making sure that everything's okay. Are you doing all right?
Are you having a seizure?
I was just seeing if you needed any kind of help. Is there something I can help you with? That's funny because cops always ask us the same thing, and we tell the cops the same thing. Did I ask for help? Now, real quick, mind if I get your name and badge number? Huh? Because I'm just documenting who's all out here, and you're a public servant, so. I just told you why, because I'm documenting what's going on out here.
Yes, sir.
Because,
Affirmative.
that's what I'm trying to find out. Why are you guys out here? I'm one of the people, sir. One of the people of the United States of America. No, you're a public servant.
I'm a Russian spy.
What's that? Well, you're on duty now, right? You're on duty at the moment. So yeah, can I get your name and badge number? Because I'm asking politely. I'm politely asking because I'm documenting for our news purposes. You know that people have a freedom of press, right? It's part of the First Amendment. My news. One of the people. I already told you, man. I'm documenting I'm documenting the news that will be disseminated to the public. I am one of the people, and I will disseminate news to the public. The news that I work for myself, sir. Well, I am one of the people. Would you like to see some ID? Let me see your ID.
Can I see your driver's license?
Yeah, but we're conversating right now, right? You're conversating with the public, and it is your policy to identify when asked. So you don't want to identify?
Oh, dude, I was reading the store, right?
made him shake the spot, bro.
Yeah.
I should have told him, hey, shake the spot.
He left so quick, man.
Look how
He
high
was
these
like,
street
"Fuck
signs
this,
are."
Man. I'm tired of
Shake the spot.
this. Go back to this place.
You guys go subscribe to Wolfie Gladly, San Joaquin Valley Transparency. Like and subscribe.